Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reacting to
DOÐA İçİN ÇAL 16 Drama Köprüsü.
what an interesting logo.
Because it's in nature.
At first I thought it was an eye.
What are we gonna do? A beat maker?
Hasan derler yüce dağlar yoludur.
Maybe this be something similar.
No, we've done other series. This is 16. Like you just dropped a couple days ago, yeah.
So everyone's going to do drama.
I don't think so. I think they're just gonna do their styles. She's very dramatic though.
You know what's interesting for me is when they're in nature and they're doing this, that it doesn't call like the animals, like you don't hear like the birds for saying, what is that?
Because the mics are next, like it doesn't capture surround sound, just captures her voice.
Bilir derdini Yiğit Hasan kalır
And I think sometimes we do capture birds though.
Drama köprüsü bre Hasan dardır geçilmez bre Hasan dardır geçilmez.
So the title does mean drama, right? Drama, and the other part.
I don't know, but now that I completely missed the title you said when you said dramatic, so I think that's why. Yeah, you might be right. Might be very dramatic. If the concept is like dramatic singing.
Suları bre Hasan bir tas içilmez. Soğuktur suları.
It's cool how they combine everybody from different locations playing like at the same time into one. That's kind of cool. I don't know, like.
But it's not like we're hearing their version of the instrumentals though, because this is like on the track, but we don't hear like for example, we hear guitar, but we sing piano.
Because we already saw who's playing the guitar.
So
It's
we
the
only
same. He just
hear-
keeps on playing.
Oh, okay. So we only hear when it's they're singing, actually.
No, but like we saw a guitarist here,
Yeah.
so he's playing the guitar.
Yeah, but I see obviously him.
No, he keeps on playing, and we
Okay.
just see new people as they come
Okay,
in.
but I don't hear the piano.
Him on the piano.
I don't hear him.
Bir tas içilmez.
Anadan geçilir Hasan, yardan geçilmez bre Hasan.
At martini devre Hasan dağlar indesin.
From what I gathered, there's a lot of forests there. Like they're not in the same part either. Or
No, they're all over Turkey. Is
they're
a
all
big
over.
country.
They're all over Turkey, but they don't meet up in in the same forest. Because it could be where they're just from.
Yeah, there is.
They're
where
also
from.
filming.
Yeah, and
That's where they're
from.
filming?
Yeah.
Oh,
So how I understand, they film it and they send in, and then the
Oh.
person combines everything
that's a
into
lot of
one.
forests. Oh my
The
gosh.
forest, this forest like right here reminds a lot of Lithuanian forest. Not in the summertime. Summertime we all green. This is more like right. Well, no, it's December, not December. But this is like October, early November
What's
forest.
interesting, it almost looks like it has like almost like a pathway. So if you're in a run, there's a clear path. You don't have to go.
It's not a pathway, but yes,
It
generally
looks-
speaking, in forest, like yeah, like you
Like
can.
it's not. It's interesting. That's like
There's gaps between
natural.
the trees.
Like that's
Yeah,
natural because it can look like someone put like lines.
because the roots have to spread as the roots spread. If
But they organize very nicely. I like that.
nature.
Drama mahpusunda Hasan, dostlar dinlesin.
That's not nature.
That would be, if I was to send in, that would be as close as nature I get.
Yeah, that would be you. Oh, Azerbaijan. Baku, huh?
Oh, you understand it to mean Azerbaijan?
Yeah,
Is how they would spell it?
Well, yeah, it's a Baku. Baku is in Azerbaijan. Yeah, so this is Azerbaijan. Abdullayev. Also, the name is it's not Turkish. It's more Azerbaijani. I wonder how come he's included. Is he like of Turkish descent, or they just no? It doesn't have to. You don't have to be Turkish to get included. Because I think this is the first time we see someone from overseas. Huh.
Sandın bre Hasan, koyun mu sandın?
Of, adam öldürmeyi bre Hasan, oyun mu sandın?
Just, I like the vocals.
Adam öldürmeyi de Hasan oyun mu sandın?
This is the basu.
I don't feel like I've never seen this before. This instrument.
Not too many people play this one.
I wonder how do you decide that you want to play like such a random instrument?
You don't start on, well, some people don't start on bassoon. You start like on a clarinet and you move on to like an upgraded like bassoon or an oboe. It's like, for example, you can start on trumpet and you move on to tuba or even French horn. If you start on like bells and cymbals, you can do drums. It's like a natural progression for those.
Dağlama pusunu Hasan, evin mi sandın bre Hasan, evin mi sandın?
Atma dağlar inlesin.
Drama mahpusunda Hasan, dostlar dinlesin.
Of at martini de bre Hasan dağlar inlesin.
Now this is the pathway where he's standing. That's a pathway, human made, man made.
Drama mahpusunda Hasan, dostlar dinlesin. Drama mahpusunda Hasan, dostlar
What's this instrument?
A harp.
Harp. This gives like a mythical.
Yeah. Very traditional, very classic.
Interesting. A lot of like a selection of not so traditional instruments. Yeah, we got some traditional instruments. There was accordion, piano, guitar, but some more unique instruments. Very interesting.
Okay, guys, of course, let us know your thoughts. Read, like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord. And as always, share as much kindness as possible.